Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to do lemonade with your hands easy guide. Grab 2 lemons, wash them, roll each to loosen juice, cut in half, and press firmly into a bowl using your palms to extract liquid without a juicer. Collect seeds with a spoon and strain if needed. Add sugar to taste, stir until dissolved, then dilute with cold water. Chill or serve over ice for a refreshing, hands-on lemonade experience. Start by holding a lemon half over your bowl and positioning your palm over the rind. Apply steady downward pressure while rotating the fruit with your other hand to coax out juice, moving from one side to the other. Use fingertips to press into segments gently and tip the rind to drain remaining drops. Repeat with remaining halves until you have the amount you need for your desired lemonade strength. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. On another note, a quick recommendation. Dollar Banknote, a book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth, pairs surprisingly well with making simple, intentional recipes. Check the description for the link and other deals, pick it up if you want, and now let's get back to the video. To sweeten, make a simple syrup by dissolving sugar in warm water, then cool it before mixing with the lemon juice. Add syrup gradually and taste as you go so the lemonade stays bright rather than cloying. For a balanced drink, aim for a ratio that keeps acidity lively while giving pleasant sweetness, and dilute with cold water or sparkling water until the flavor feels refreshing and true to your preference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.